Are you looking for a laptops for Blender? In this video, I will show you the 5 best laptops for Blender based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the RAZER Blade 15. Allows for a more rigid and durable frame. The black color is electrochemically bonded into the aluminum to strengthen the finish and prevent minor scratches and scuffs while on the go. With the 120Hz Full HD 1920x1080 display, on-screen action is incredibly smooth and fluid. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660Ti graphics is a blazing fast supercharger for today's most popular games. Expandable 16GB 2933 MHz dual-channel memory and 256GB PCIe SSD for performance. The 4th product on the list is the MSI GL65 Leopard. Pushing power. The 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor delivers high performance to take on any game and applications with ease. The MSI GL65 is powered by NVIDIA GeForce graphics. Take on today's most popular games with these performance graphics. Designed to be thin and light for gamers to carry around every day for games, study, or work. MSI's exclusive Cooler Boost technology ensures optimal thermal dissipation. Featuring 2 fans and 6 heat pipes, get the airflow you need for gaming. The 3rd product on the list is the ASUS ZENBOOK Pro Duo. Drag an app or window onto the app switcher icon to launch the app on ScreenPad Plus for a multi-window experience. Maximize your viewing experience by dragging an app onto the ViewMax to extend your screen to secondary display ScreenPad Plus. Drag apps or windows on ScreenPad, and let the organizer helps you to sort them the way you want. The 4K UHD OLED HDR display is amazing with its 4-sided frameless design. The brilliant OLED touchscreen delivers ultra-vivid colors and deep blacks, with a cinema-grade 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. The 2nd product on the list is the DELL Gaming G3. 15.6-inch FHD, 1920x1080, 300 nits IPS anti-glare LED backlit display that's complemented by a 2-sided narrow bezel. Your laptop is equipped with a dual-fan cooling system to help spread out heat and keep your system responsive. This maximizes the fan's speed to keep your system cool while the processor works harder. Improve your gaming experience by fine-tuning your settings. Personalize your space and setup to make your software look and feel precisely the way you want it. Create a unique game profile, and it stays just how you want it, no matter where you launch. The 1st product on the list is the GIGABYTE AERO 15. The AERO is fitted with a 144Hz refresh rate display, creates smooth images without jitter or lag, and effectively decreasing ghosting and image tear. AERO 15 has teamed up with X-Rite Pantone, giving you perfect color accuracy and wider color spectrum. NVIDIA GeForce RTX delivers the ultimate laptop gaming experience. Powered by the new NVIDIA Turing GPU architecture and the revolutionary RTX platform, RTX graphics cards bring together real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. This is a whole new way to experience games. The Intel 760p SSD is what takes transfer speed to the next level, with up to 3,200 megabytes per second read speed that lets you work without any long waiting times. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.